The word kleptomaniac comes from two root words, kleptes and mania. Kleptes is a Greek root which means a thief, and mania, the other root here, means madness. So the word kleptomania is madness or obsession with stealing things. Now someone who suffers from kleptomania is called kleptomaniac. Someone who is kleptomaniac will have an irrational urge or an irrational desire to steal things. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके पास पैसे नहीं है या फिर वो गरीब है. It is just that he can't resist stealing things. In most cases of kleptomania, the person steals things that he does not really need. In most cases, even the items stolen are of no value or are of very little value. Many kleptomaniacs also feel guilty or remorseful after stealing stuff, but they are just unable to stop. Hopefully, we are getting the meaning here. Let's watch a clipping now.
A lot of wallets.
I can't help it. It started with coin purses and sort of went on from there, really. What do you mean, pickpocket?
Oh, a master criminal.
I'm not a bad person. I'm a kleptomaniac. Wallets. I just can't resist the lovely little things. It's a harmless little habit, really.
Good heavens.
I assume that the clipping is self-explanatory. Another word here is the word kleptocracy. A kleptocracy is a government of corrupt. It is a government of thieves. It is a government characterized by rampant corruption. It is a derogatory word that is used for corrupt governments. For example, Russian government under Putin is a very good example of a kleptocracy. Kleptocracy, a government of the corrupt, a government characterized by systematic corruption.
I'm a OP boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat, boy. Know that they ride or die.